orientation and felicitation program. This program has been so educating, motivational, and inspiring. And first of all, I'd like to thank President of the function, that is Mr. Sajal Devarma, President of UTF and founding member, and advisors, Mr. Buddhijana, then Mr. Madhusudan, Mr. Dr. Abhijit, and Mr. Dr. Meenal. So, on behalf of myself and also on behalf of all the aspirants, the PSC aspirants, UPSC aspirants, I would like to first of all thank them, and let us stand and give them a great applause to them, because they have organized, because they have been trying to empower us. They have been trying to empower our society. They are trying to change us. So thank you very much for joining with me. And also, on behalf of UTF, if I am permitted, of course, as a member of UTF, I feel myself as a member of UTF. And if I am permitted, on behalf of UTF, I would like to welcome all the aspirants, the PSC aspirants, UPSC aspirants, and guardians. And I would like to thank the vibrant media friends for covering this program. Now, I think I do not know how many non-Komborok speaking participants are there. Or maybe Komborok Maya, Komborok Saya, Omahai participants Korokusutam, can you raise your hands, please? Yes, there are some. Okay. May I know how many of you are from, say, South Tripura district? South Tripura district. There are, good number of aspirants are from South. Then from Gumoti, yes, Gumoti district, good number. Then Sipahijala, wow, good number. I'll come to West later. Then North, yes, there are from North also. Unakuti also there are. Then Dalai is representing, good number. Then Khoi, yes, Khoi. Then let us come to West Tripura district. Okay, good number. And also I'd like to know how many of you are from Tripura tribal areas of Number District Council areas. Yes, majority are from these areas. Presently, I am posted as Secretary to the Government of Tripura Transport Department, because Buddhijana has talked about the traffic jam. So this is my responsibility to clear the traffic jam, being the Secretary of Transport Department. Even in our real life also, there are many traffic jams. So avoiding this traffic jam, we have to reach to our goal. And so far UTF is concerned, I have been told that it is a self-funded trust, and it has been trying to empower our society individually, collectively, and socially. And as you know, Tabok Muketa, this is called age of development. Age of development. And also at the same time we know this is the age of participatory development. We have been told that how the country is how the country is run, how is country governed. PM, CM, DM, SDM. PM, CM, DM, SDM, they run the country and they drive the development. And now, our history, Triprasa's history is 5,025 years old. National level. Now, many of you are TPSC or UPSC aspirants. So far, at the national level, there are only 3 IAS officers, direct IAS officers from our state. That's true. One is Tabit, he is a DM Gomati. One is Diman, he is posted in Odisha. And one is Tanu Sridhar Burma, he is now on Government of India deputation in Bangalore. So only 3. And we are talking about the participatory development. We want development. We are appetite for the development in our state. Everybody talks about the development. Development is taking place because this is the age of development. So the development. How development will happen? Who will drive the development? So the ADC area comprises 68% of the total geographical area of the state. And in ADC area, I am presently again holding the charge of CU ADC also, that's why. Then development is not taking place in special ADC areas, in scheduled areas, in tribal areas, as it is expected. And therefore, people of ADC areas, we feel neglected, we feel deprived, we feel not being given importance. Then how to overcome from this situation? What is the reality? Reality is development has to be driven in the areas. Who will take this development to our areas? As I said, PM, CM, DM, SDM are those who are in the development sectors. With due regards to the officers in other sectors. I'm not so development is being carried forward by the so-called PM, CM, DM, SDM, so-called bureaucrats. And that is why now you are here, about 200 aspirants are there. 200 representing all over the state, right from Dharmanagar, right from Bangun to Sabrum, Magrum, representing all the areas. You are here. And when I see you, I can see some TCS officers, I can see some TPS officers, I can see some IES officers, I can see some IPS officers, and many other officers I can see. And as UTF has been trying to guide you, change you, motivate you, I believe you are already motivated. You are already changed. And that is why when I see you, I can see some officers. There are already some successful officers, TCS officers, CPS officers. Can you stand up so that they can know, they can see you, they can get chance to congratulate you? There are the 3 new TCS, TPS officers. They have been successful. They have been guided by UTF. So from my side, I congratulate them. And on behalf of all the participants, I congratulate them. Please take your seat. Okay, our experience says, in need of the aspirations to your Nagopaya, this is not only your dreams, this is the dream of your brothers and sisters in the family. This is the dreams of your family, your parents. This is the dreams of your society. And being educated, the knowledge is not only for the sake of having knowledge, it is for application. Knowledge is for application. And applying the knowledge, you have to take the position in the society. And I believe you are in a position to take charge of your life. Ini jara, yes, ang ungnay, hiniwan sawi jara preparation nai, determined khai borok jara parekha, they could become successful. Sudo, on behalf of myself and also on behalf of UTF, Zita Angirano request hidden. Please take the charge of your own life. You have to drive. There may be many traffic jams while coming to this hall also. You might have faced traffic jams. We also faced traffic jams. So, you have to be very tactful to overcome the traffic jams. And being educated, you are intelligent enough how to overcome these traffic jams in our real life. Okay? Basically, I will not take much of your time. Sudu ang saray, that UTF is there to guide you, to give you handful support, to fulfill, to achieve your goals. And therefore, you take the registration, you prepare yourself, equip yourself. Abang Bishas Khai, it is my firm belief that once you decide, you can do, you can achieve your goal. Abang UTF is there. UTF Zeta Ranai, Zeta support Thinai, you have to support yourself, you have to drive yourself so that you can achieve the goal. And I wish you all the best to achieve your goals. Abang we are living not for only ourselves. We are living for ourselves, our family, our society, our state, and as a students, you might have determined that after completion of your education, you must contribute to your family, you must contribute to your society, you must contribute to your state, and you have already decided. Hangga new decision, I'm gonna fulfill financial bangai, or UTF United Tiprasa Forum. Dongo, so the Angkong so the United Front, the Samani Forum, the Samani, Bolsunal Lamp, Honunai, a trust, Bolsunal Lamp, Honuitango. Among it is self-funded, they have got their own financial, they may have financial constraints. Okay, as a contribution from my side, I'll also try to contribute to the fund of UTF. With these few words, with this, I'm Deta Buddhilian request here, even I will sponsor some experience. I myself, as an individual, I sponsor some students for taking coaching to UTF, because UTF has proved its ability its capacity in the last, its age is not much. Its age is about only, I think, 7-8 years. In 7-8 years, it has contributed a lot in our society. It is changing our society, and therefore it is empowering our society. And therefore, I cannot individually contribute. So therefore, I would like to join UTF by being with them, so that I can also contribute to the empowering of our society. So wishing you all the best, Jara aspirants, madam. In the next year, we want to see. I want to see some of you becoming an IAS officers, IPS officers, or in any allied services. Let us pray for them and let us achieve them. With these few words, once again, I thank you all for participating in this program. So thank you very much. Jotana Hambai.